Hi, welcome to eSpares, the channel that specialises in appliance repair, where we help you to fix it yourself. My name's Matt, and in this video I'll show you how to replace the rotor on an LG washing machine with a direct drive motor. As always, if you find this video helpful, please do leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. You'll know that the rotor has broken inside your LG washing machine if the drum isn't turning but sounds like it is, and the machine is making a clicking noise. This means that the magnets inside the rotor have broken and it needs to be replaced. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a socket set with a 17mm socket head and a Phillips screwdriver. And of course, you'll need a new rotor, which you can find a link to in the description below. Safety first, always remember to switch off and unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. For this fix, we need to pull the machine out from underneath the countertop. Now I need to remove the rear panel of the appliance by undoing the Phillips head screws that keep it in place. With the back panel removed, here we can see the rotor, which is on the back of the motor. Now I've just put some gloves on just to protect my hands, because to remove the rotor you need to undo this bolt, take the bolt out and the washer that comes with it using our socket set, and you need to hold on to the rotor in order to unscrew this bolt and take the washer out with it. And there may be some sharp edges, so do make sure you're protecting your hands. When searching for a new rotor on the eSpares website, you have to be sure that you have your appliance's model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the right part for your particular appliance. Now, if you don't know where to find the model number, don't worry. Check out our video here that will give you all the information you could possibly need. To refit the rotor, carefully fit it over the motor and the spindle at the back. And then refit the bolt and washer in the center. To refit the back panel, simply push it into position and then screw in the 4 Phillips head screws. So there we have it, how to replace the rotor on an LG washing machine with a direct drive motor. Hopefully your machine is back up and running smoothly once more. Now, the rotor can be one of a number of problems that the washing machine can experience in relation to the drum. If you have any kind of drum issue with your washing machine, check out our video here, which will help you diagnose the problem and how to fix it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, repair guides, maintenance advice, energy saving tips, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.